Hi, this is Innovation Keynote speaker, Nicholas Webb. Before I start my speaking demo video, I'd like to provide you some insights about what I'll be sharing with my audiences in 2026 and beyond. I'll be providing fresh research from my just released best-selling book, Chaotic Change, on how organizations can leverage the 3 big trends of innovation to drive massive improvements in strategic results, while driving predictable and scalable revenue growth. These big trends include the impact of what we now call human experience innovation. Simply stated, human experience innovation leverages the superpower of the human. And in a time of artificial intelligence integration, we really need to think about developing human-centric organizations. I'll provide information on the second big trend, and that is the impact on enterprise innovation, going beyond the invention of bright, shiny objects to inventing ways in which we can create collaborative and creative workplaces that drive massive improvements in customer and market insights while driving enterprise excellence. Lastly, I'll talk about the impact of improving both customer and employee experience by leveraging human experience innovation to develop exceptional opportunities for revenue growth while attracting and retaining mission-critical talent. As a successful inventor with over 40 U.S. patents to my name, I don't speak about innovation as a theorist. I provide fresh insights directly from my lab to help your organization make innovation approachable and, most importantly, real. Today audiences are demanding novel and actionable insights that they can apply immediately within their organization and job function. And I'm so honored to deliver that to my audience. Now, without further ado, I will start my demo video, and thanks for considering me for your event.
He's been awarded over 45 patents.
Nicholas Webb is a world-renowned strategist.
He provides innovation consulting services to the top brands in the world.
#1 best-selling author and futurist. He's CEO of LeaderLogic, a management consulting firm for brands in healthcare. His talks described as religious experiences.
Please give it up for one of the most innovative thinkers in the world, Nicholas Webb.
As cavemen and women, we would blow air across our larynx and form words. And then we formed languages. And then we were able to write down the language. And then we were able to type the language. And then we were able to democratize it and print the language. And for those of you who suffered through DOS, we then had to code the language. And then when Apple came out, we got to point. And then when smartphones came out, we got to thumb. We will go back to our origin of the most intuitive form of communication, back to talking. That is the future OS.
But I think that if disruption is the problem, and of course it is, then the answer is innovation. We need to make innovation part of our enterprise DNA. We need to invent better human experiences, internally and externally. We need to leverage the superpower of enabling technologies and connection architecture. We need to look at the value that we deliver to our market ecosystem completely different than we ever have before. But do me a favor, look at the person next to you and just shake their hand and say, "Hi, I'm an inventor." Just do that for me. I know it's weird, but let's try this. This is beautiful. Look at that enthusiasm. That's awesome. Now, I have no reason to have you guys do that other than to share the pain of that moment. Thank you very much.
We all made a commitment that every day we're going to get better. We're going to learn about all the communities that we serve. That is getting better every day. That's a mission I would really be excited about, and I know that it'll be an equal and fair service to others. I love that. It actually just gave me goosebumps. I love that.